Hello Jolinatics! For today's video, meron na naman kaming isi-share sa inyong bagong cafe dito sa bayan ng Amadeo na bukod sa nag-o-offer ng masasarap na pagkain at drinks relaxing din ang kanilang place. E kung ayaw mo nga makipagsiksikan sa mga matataong cafe sa Tagaytay at gusto mo ng tamang chill lang, isa to sa dapat nyong masubukan. Bali ito nga pala yung Drip and Chill na located along Crisanto M. Los Reyes Avenue, Barangay Dagatan, Amadeo, Cavite. Along the highway lang sila kaya madali nyo lang to makikita. At pagpasok nyo nga, bubungad agad sa inyo yung kanilang magandang alfresco garden style dining area. Idagdag mo pa yung malamig na hangin na galing Tagaytay, talagang ang sarap mag-relax dito. May ample parking space din sila dito if may sasakyan kayong dala. Pagdating naman sa menu, you can choose from their different varieties of drinks, both coffee and non-coffee, snacks, rice meals, and desserts. Nag-appetizer muna nga kami with their ultimate nachos. Grabe, 170 pesos lang yan pero overload na ng meat and cheese toppings. Halata mong quality yung nachos na gamit nila dito. Tapos may jalapeno din which gives that saktong spiciness and promise ang sarap nito. For their rice meal naman, we tried their Spam Supreme and sa lasa pa lang, I think they're using branded one. Kung may kids kayong kasama katulad namin, saktong-sakto sa kanila to. Must try at huwag nyo nga rin palalagpasin yung kanilang Tapa Flakes Overload, savory and garlicky taste na may pagkakonting tostado. And promise, habang nag-e-edit nga ako, di ko maiwasang matakam. Ito yung tipo ng tapa na mapaparami ka talaga ng kanin. And if gusto nyo matry lahat ng kanilang breakfast serving in one plate, then go with their ultimate all-day breakfast. For me, good for 2 persons na to, mag-order na lang kayo ng extra rice. May kasama na rin tong pagkalaki-laking Hungarian sausage na ang meaty, napakalasa, and I think high quality talaga tong sausage na gamit nila. Pero kung di nyo naman trip mag-rice, may option kayo dito to substitute to waffle with butter, which is I think best to partner sa kahit anong breakfast nila. For drinks naman, we tried their Hershey's Sip for kids. Nagustuhan nila to kasi para silang umiinom ng ice milk chocolate. For adults naman, ice white mocha na tamang-tama yung timpla, and their DNC hot coffee with the right amount of sweetness at tapang ng coffee. By the way, traditional brewing method yung gamit nila that makes their coffee even more special. For desserts naman, we had their double chocolate dream cake which is really good. Nag-iiba nga pala yung cakes nila dito weekly and we'll surely try other flavors.
Hello everyone, we invite you to come in our humble coffee shop here in Amadeo. We have coffee, rice meals, and a lot more. So come visit us here at Drip and Chill, located in Porac 7, Barangay Dagatan, Amadeo. Thank you.